software to back up your Yahoo Mail account, and are you searching for trusted solution online? Corbett Software Yahoo Mail Account Backup and Restore Wizard. One-step solution for all mail client and mail server. Now let's check out the main features of this software. Auto-detects server address and port number easily. Backup emails along with attachments and all attributes. Backup Yahoo Mails in document formats like PDF, CSV, HTML etc. Maintains 100% data integrity of the backed up files. Now install and run the tool to check out its working process. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Accounts. Choose Add Account option from showing pop-up window. Now add your Yahoo Mail account details like email address and app-created password to take backup. If you don't know how to create app password, go to description section and get the link. Then click on the Add button. In case you are not able to log in with credentials, please select the Advanced Settings option. Here you need to add the IMAP server, that you can search by clicking Find button also. After fill the IMAP server details and port number. Click on Add button. As you can see, the software is analyzing the entered credentials. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for the backup process. Select the required folder and software list all the emails in the panel. Now click the email to view the message preview. This way you can preview the email message with all the elements such as email's properties, signature, sender information and more. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender, recipient, date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Go to Advanced Search. You can search in all fields like calendar, and date, rain, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Select the Export option and choose PDF option to back up the email account. Mark the required folder, and unmark the rest folder, as per your requirement. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the email account backup. Now let's understand the advanced functions, the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. Other to create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders if you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is an include email header. We recommend you disable this. Other is show page number. If you enable this option, it allows you to insert page numbers. The last one is save attachments. In a folder enabling this option, you can save attachments in a separate folder. You can also check the file naming option to store email data after backup. You can add your custom name also of your exported files. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of email account backup saved in PDF file format. Once the task completed, you get a successful message. Then click on Open Folder option. Now you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get all email backup in PDF file format. You can see page number of the document at the top of the page. Thanks for watching.